Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making something delicious and healthy, banana spinach muffins. So as a base for these muffins, we are using some oats. Make that into a really fine powder. Now add some spinach with 2 bananas into a blender and blend it really smooth and creamy. Add the spinach puree into the oats flour with 2 eggs and blend it nicely or mix it using a hand blender. Now pour this mixture into the muffin trays. You can add some chocolate chips. Then bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. And there you go, freshly baked banana spinach muffins ready to be enjoyed. It's so moist, flavorful and packed with goodness. Perfect for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy baking!